What if I tell you the next frontier for human civilization is not going to be another country, but an entirely different planet? Yes, in this video, we are going to talk about the world of Mars colonization and how you can be a part of this journey. Imagine a future where humanity has a second home on Mars, a place where we can live, work, and thrive beyond Earth. So, who is making this dream of Mars colonization and future of space travel a reality? Whether you're a scientist, entrepreneur, astronaut, or just someone with an adventurous spirit, the journey to Mars involves countless visionaries and pioneers. The idea of colonizing Mars has captured the imagination of millions. Leading the charge are organizations like NASA, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, and research institutions across the globe. Everyone is contributing to the vision of sending humans to Mars. NASA's Escapade mission is designed to study Mars' magnetic field and atmosphere and how they interact with solar wind. The mission was set to launch on Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, which is still in development and features a reusable first stage that can carry up to 45 tons into low Earth orbit. However, NASA has delayed the launch until next year due to concerns that the New Glenn rocket might not be ready in time for the Mars mission. But what are we trying to achieve? So, the goal is to establish a new home for humanity. The Earth's population continues to grow. The need for new resources and living space is becoming crucial. Colonizing Mars could be a solution, helping us spread out and relieve some of the pressure on Earth. But it's not just about living space. This mission could also unlock groundbreaking scientific discoveries. By studying Mars, we might even learn more about the origin of life and the secrets of our own planet. So when will we see humans on Mars? Well, the race is on and the progress is happening right now. Agencies like NASA, SpaceX and other space agencies, they are working hard to send humans to Mars by 2030s.
A high urgency to making life multiplanetary.
Elon Musk says there's an urgent need to make life multiplanetary and expects 1 million people to be living on Mars within 20 years. Every day we are moving closer with advanced technology being tested and rovers exploring the Martian surface. Even though a permanent colony might still be years away, each mission brings us one step closer to making Mars a second home. Elon Musk said SpaceX will launch its first uncrewed starships to Mars in 2 years to test landing reliability. If successful, crewed flights will follow in 4 years, aiming to build a self-sustaining city on Mars within 20 years. But colonizing the red planet isn't as easy as it sounds. Traveling 33 million miles from Earth to Mars is an enormous challenge, and the Martian's environment is harsh. Extreme temperatures, low gravity, and high radiation levels are just a few of the obstacles. That's why Mars isn't just our destination, it's the ultimate test of human innovation. A lot of research is being done about colonizing Mars. For example, scientists are exploring ways to boost crop yields on Mars. The research aims to optimize space farming for future self-sustaining Martian colonies. Not only that, but a new rocket engine is being designed called the Pulsed Plasma Rocket (PPR), which could significantly reduce the travel time to Mars, potentially cutting it down to just 2 months each way. All it requires is extremely high thrust and efficiency. Now, why should we even attempt to colonize Mars? First, it's about securing the future of humanity. Colonizing Mars could help us avoid overpopulation issues and resource depletion on Earth. Second, it's about science. Studying Mars could reveal insights about life's existence in the universe. And third, it's about technology. The challenges of space colonization, they are pushing us to develop new transportation systems, energy sources, and waste management solutions that could benefit us here on Earth as well. But how do we make this all happen? The answer is through collaboration and innovation. Organizations like SpaceX are leading the way with reusable rockets that dramatically reduce the cost of space travel. NASA's Artemis program is also crucial as it aims to return humans to the moon and establish a base there, a potential launching point for Mars missions. Meanwhile, research programs around the world are tackling the health risks radiation protection, and habitat development needed for survival on Mars. It's a global effort involving experts from all fields, from scientists and engineers to botanists, architects, and even lawyers. Space colonization comes with its challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is the cost. Space travel is still incredibly expensive, making it difficult to send large number of people and supplies to Mars. Once we arrive, creating a habitable environment is another major hurdle. We will need to develop new technologies for energy generation, food production, and waste management. Colonizing Mars will offer challenges that need to be addressed to ensure the survival and sustainability of human presence on the planet. Some of the key challenges we are going to face include: first is radiation exposure. Unlike Earth, Mars doesn't have a protective magnetic field or a thick atmosphere. This means colonists will be exposed to harmful cosmic and solar radiation, increasing the risk of serious health issues like cancer. Next, the harsh climate. Mars is freezing, with temperatures averaging around 80 degrees Fahrenheit and dropping even lower at night. We will need habitat designs and life support systems to keep warm and survive the extreme cold. Then, there's the problem of limited resources. Mars has no liquid water on its surface and a thin carbon dioxide heavy atmosphere. We will need advanced tech to extract water from the soil and generate oxygen and food locally. Isolation and psychological stress are also major concerns. The long distance from Earth and confinement could lead to severe psychological effects, loneliness, and challenges in maintaining healthy social dynamics. Mars' gravity is just 38% of Earth's, which possess serious health risks like muscle atrophy and bone density loss. Countermeasures, including rigorous exercise routines and possibly artificial gravity, will be crucial. Transportation and resupply will be another hurdle. With the vast distance between Earth and Mars, resupply missions will be rare and costly. Colonists will have to rely heavily on local resources and tech for food, water, and building materials. Energy supply is a challenge too. Mars gets less sunlight and dust storms can block it for weeks. We will need reliable energy sources like nuclear power to keep the lights on. Technological reliability is key. Life support systems and habitats must function flawlessly in Mars' harsh environment. Any breakdowns could be life-threatening, so redundancy and resilience are essential. Finally, the long-term goal of terraforming. Turning Mars into a more Earth-like environment is a task that could take centuries and faces immense technological and ethical challenges. But despite these challenges, many organizations are working tirelessly to make Mars colonization a reality. SpaceX, for example, has a bold plan to build a self-sustaining city on Mars that could eventually support up to 1 million people. NASA's Artemis program is focused on developing necessary technologies and expertise to support human exploration, and small initiatives like Mars One and innovative architectural firms are contributing to the vision by designing sustainable living spaces and using existing technologies to make space colonization more accessible. Let's fast forward 100 years into the future, and Mars could be a vibrant hub of human activity. Imagine towering Martian cities with domed habitats offering stunning views of the red landscape. These cities are powered by advanced technology, solar panels, and nuclear reactors integrated into the Martian environment. Robots and drones handle construction, maintenance, and farming, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Transportation might include high-speed trains and personal hovercrafts, making travel between colonies quick and convenient. Transforming efforts could even lead to the development of green areas and small bodies of water on the Martian surface. So, what does this mean for you? The space industry is booming and the career options are endless. From cybersecurity experts to software developers, engineers, botanists, and even medical professionals, there is a place for everyone in the mission to Mars. Whether you're interested in tech, science, or even project management, the space industry is full of opportunities waiting for you. Over 50 years ago, humanity took its first steps on the moon. Now the next giant leap is Mars. The mission is already underway and it's going to take all of us to make this happen. So, are you ready to join the Mars generation? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're passionate about space, consider exploring career opportunities in this exciting field. So, in the end, I just want to say that unfortunately, some people believe that this all seems too hypothetical. But remember, the media once ridiculed the idea of flight proposed by the Wright brothers. It was said that airplanes would take 1 to 10 million years to become a reality. So just like the Wright brothers, we are also on the brink of turning the impossible into possible. Stay inspired, keep dreaming, and join us as we reach for the stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting updates.